last week we came here to Magic Kingdom as we were showing you Genie Plus for the entire family, and we hope that you were able to enjoy that video and learn from that video, because we were able to do quite a few rides. Tonight we happen to be back here at the Magic Kingdom just because we like the cold weather.
Nobody likes the cold weather. No.
Just because it's freezing temperature right now in Orlando.
Yeah.
So is that what we're here for?
No.
Or to find more merchandise?
No.
No, that's right, you guessed it. We're not here for none of that. We're here to try Lightning Lane. Because which family of content creators will ride Seven Dwarfs on a 42-degree weather? Because we want to prove a point. We want to help you guys at home. We want to show you guys whether you should buy Lightning Lane or do a standby.
We're crazy.
Which we pay, what was it, $11 per ticket?
Yeah.
So $44 for all of us. In the freezing cold weather for Florida.
We're crazy people, man.
Just because we want you guys to get the best out of this.
Y'all better subscribe. Things we do for y'all. Hope y'all love the effort.
There you go, guys. So that's basically how we're handling this video tonight. And if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Cool Case Adventures. And our main mission is to help you have fun when you come here to Disney World or any other theme park. With that said, please become part of this family by simply
subscribe.
And also
Smash the like button.
if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Family, are you ready?
Yes.
I don't know whose idea was to ride a roller coaster in this cold weather. But anyways, so what are we going?
So let's go. But wait, Mama, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat
And celebrate 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
Look at this, guys. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train happens to be at a 60-minute wait. Let's see if this is gonna pay off for us.
I hope.
This $44, are they gonna pay off for? Let's hope so. That's the Lightning Lane. Here's the Lightning Lane line over here. As you can tell, there's a lot of people ready to go on it. So let's time it for you guys.
You just have to grab one.
And we have started the stopwatch, right? Now, very quick update, guys. As you can see, my card was not valid. It was a minor mistake by Karen. She did the Lightning Lane reservation under my main gate, as I have a spouse main gate. So, but they fixed it. They just like, go ahead. They saw the four.
I still did 4. So.
Yeah, so they saw the 4 people, and then went ahead and they did it, and they just changed it really quick. So, very important to remember. You have to rescan it again, which I don't understand why some rides still want you to scan it and some other don't twice, but hey, to each their own. So there you go, and that was mine. There you go, valid. And we're about to continue to go in. So here we are about to board at 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Visit our mine.
Let's see.
Now don't forget, when you
5 and 6, 1 minute and 52 seconds. We are about to go into the ride. 1 minute and 52 seconds versus a 60 minute. There it is. We're gonna stop it here at 2 minutes. Here we are. 2 minutes. Hello, how are you? So at 2 minutes, $44 spent.
Or 60 minutes in the cold weather.
And just so you guys know, let me share this with you really quick. We only could do it at 9 o'clock because that's when the park opened.
Yes.
If you're a resort guest, you could do it earlier than that. I think as of 7 in the morning, if I'm not mistaken. So by the time the Karen went at 9 in the morning, the first one was at 4:45. So definitely pays off to stay at a resort. So in case you've never seen the seating, this is how it looks like, just like a lap bar. Here we are, we're moving. There we go. Oh goodness, it's cold. Here we go. Yay! Woo! For my plus size friends, this bar is very, very tight, just so you guys know. The seat is tight, the lap bar is like a tight squeeze.
Yeah, it's tight. It's a small seat.
Right, if you have wide hips and stuff like that, you may have a problem. And also on your thigh, so see how tight that is. Other than that, it's super fun, but I just want to share that with you. It was super cold. All right, people. $44, $11 per person, 2 minutes of wait versus 60 minutes. What do you guys think? Was it worth it? If you have the money?
If you have the money, definitely, yeah. It was worth it, because then we would have waited 60 minutes versus 2 minutes.
Right.
Well, you got
and I don't know about your guys' opinion, but in my opinion, I don't think it's worth a 60-minute
For that ride?
time ride. Yeah.
So you don't think that people should do 60 minutes for that ride?
people have families.
Yeah, but they never been here, so maybe if you've never been here, definitely do it.
Yeah, do it. I'm not saying not to do it. I'm just saying that in my opinion, I don't feel like it should be that much of a wait time
Okay.
of how good the ride is. In my opinion.
Oh no, that's fine. I very well respect your opinion, little sir.
And then you have to, I guess in Florida, you never know the weather that you're going to have. So it's either going to be cold, which hardly ever happens. It's going to be raining, which happens all the time. Or it's going to be excruciating hot. So do you want to pay the $11 and only wait 2 minutes, or wait an hour longer in the elements?
Yeah, and don't forget, like I mentioned before, resort guests have early access to those lining lane tickets. With that said, by the time if you're staying off property, and by the time that you could buy them, which is at the opening time of the park, you may not find something early. But
if you're going to be here all day, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it definitely does.
You know for sure you're going to ride it later in the day.
Right, it helps you plan it, so keep that in mind though. So here you go. Next ride, next lining lane that we have. Space Mountain. Now this time, the kids are the only one doing Space Mountain, simply because we've done it 20 million times, and you know, we felt like we didn't want to pay extra money.
I like Space Mountain, and it's inside, so
Right.
it's a win-win.
And those are like the kids' favorite rides. One of the most favorite right here in Magic Kingdom, so might as well let them enjoy it. But we're gonna time it. And here is the situation, guys. Space Mountain at 7 o'clock is currently sitting at a 45 minutes on standby. So again, we're gonna just test it out. Not sure we're gonna be able to go inside with the kids. If we can't, then they're gonna time it out for us. But obviously we're gonna keep you updated. But I'm assuming it's gonna be just like Seven Dwarfs. Just a walk-on. So let's try this thing out. And just so you guys know, lining lane is located on the right-hand side of the regular standby line. So, all right, guys. So we have an exception made for us. I guess, you know, never hurts to ask. Just ask. The worst thing is somebody tell you, know. So we asked them, can we just drop off the kids? We're not gonna ride it. Cast members look at each other. A manager was there. And of course, the leader ended up saying, yeah, just tell them you just want to bypass the ride. So that's what we're doing. And if you're following along, regular line on the left, no line in front of us. So as you can see, it is worth it. So we made it to the official queue. The walking was longer than the wait time. So
that's all walking.
Yeah, our walking alone was 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We told them that we want to bypass it. They asked us, you want to drop them off all the way to the right? And we said, sure. And she said, what did she say?
Just to let them know that we're bypassing, and don't let us out.
There you go. So anyways, we're teaching you guys these kind of tips and tricks in case you want to do the same thing.
That way you can at least see the queue line.
Right.
If you've never been here.
And if you have kids like Kyla's and Kalel's age,
Like little ones that you don't want them going right by themselves.
right, you should be okay letting them go on their own. Save some money that way too.
Yeah.
There you go, because there are two that are going now. Okay, perfect. As you can see, Kyla and Kalel are leaving.
Treat them like single ride.
Oh, they treat it like, yeah, exactly. So Kyla and Kalel just went into the ride. They actually allow you to witness when they go in a ride, and then we can go. So,
Yeah, they tell you to go all the way down to the ramp to go to the exit,
which is gonna take us to the store. So,
which is where they get out.
exactly. So now we're just gonna go, and oh, perfect. At 3 minutes and 33 cents. 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Not bad. So we could say two of the major rides are 5.5 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
Instead of an hour and 45.
There you go. That's all right, guys. So there you have it here from the Magic Kingdom. We actually ended up going to the Emporium to try to find some of the new merchandise for the 50th, but everything is gone. Like the newest one, you know, like the one that came in yellow. What was it? Kind of like yellowish.
Yellowish. And all map
Yeah.
style.
So everything is gone. But anyways, we ended up getting these weighted plushes.
Are you guys surprised we bought something?
Yeah. Tell me about it. My pocket is not. But anyway, guys, we hope that we were able to help you. The total price for everything, for the both lightning lanes, I think with taxes, it came up to be $59, if I can remember correctly. And like we explained you in the earlier clip, 5.5 minutes versus an hour and 45 minutes. Like, if you had that opportunity, would you do it if you could afford it? So that's something for you to think about. You know, what do you guys thought? Was it worth it?
Yeah, I thought it was worth it. And we had so much fun. So
There you go, Mom.
Gives you a lot more time to do other things. So if you can afford it, I would suggest you do it. But if you can, then just wait the line. It's not a big deal either.
Right, so an hour and 45 minutes versus 5.5 minutes, you know, me, the analytical in me says, you know, that gives you an hour and 39 minutes and 30 seconds to do other things.
Right. So it just
So-
depends.
Wait, people say time is money though.
It's money.
So you just never
Clearly,
know.
because we're paying for
Clearly. But anyway, we truly hope we were able to give you an idea and help you. But sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we got to remind everybody to
subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. Feel free to comment down below as number 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
See ya.
Bye.